Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to my beloved lecturers and fellow friends. Today we will discuss about a case study in the topic of TecSmart Electronics under topic 9 TKM model. But first, let me introduce my teammates who will be presenting today, which is me, Arifah Nur Fatiha, Salamia, and Nur Wafa Shahira. And now I will be proceed to brief about a little bit TecSmart Electronics. TecSmart designs, manufactures, and repairs electronic power supplies for OEMs in computer, medical, and office products. Its mission is distilled into three words: quality, service, and value. It founded on Deming's, where quality journey began on mid-1980s, anchored in Deming's 14 points. Following an executive off-site review, their 18 strengths were identified across 6 strategic domains, which is leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, measurement and analysis, workforce focus, operations focus, and many more. So now, I will proceed to present question 1 from the TecSmart Electronic case study, which explains how the company practices support the Malcolm-Baldrige criteria for performance excellence. First, TecSmart demonstrates strong leadership practices. Senior leaders set company objectives, guide cross-functional teams, communicate openly with employees, and even teach quality and leadership courses. This shows that top management is highly committed to quality improvement and employee involvement. Secondly, the company supports the strategic planning criteria. TecSmart uses customer feedback, market research, and benchmarking information during strategic planning. Managers and employees work together to develop measurable action plans, and the CEO reviews progress every month. This ensures that company goals are aligned with customers and market needs. Next is customer focus. TecSmart collects customers' information using many methods, provides customer relationship training to employees, and resolve complaints within 2 days. Customer satisfaction data is also reviewed regularly by the executive team. These practices help the company maintain a strong relationship with customers and continuously improve customer satisfaction. The company also supports measurement, analysis, and knowledge management. TecSmart collects operational data from every department, applies Six Sigma goals, and uses audits and surveys to measure quality performance. This allows the company to make better decisions based on data and improve its processes continuously. For workforce focus, TecSmart trains employees in problem-solving methods, empower workers through self-managed teams, and provides extensive quality training. Employees are also surveyed yearly to evaluate how effectively Deming's 14 points are implemented. This creates a motivated and skilled workforce. In terms of operation focus, cross-functional teams manage product development, while statistical process control and statistical methods are used to monitor and improve processes. Supplies are also involved early in product development to ensure product quality and efficiency. And finally, all these practices contribute to the results category because TecSmart continuously measures customer satisfaction, operational performance, employee involvement, and product quality to achieve continuous improvement and business excellence. And that's all for my presentation. I will proceed the presentation with Salamia.
Good morning, sir. Next, I will present discussion question 2, which is what are some of the obvious opportunity for improvement relative to the Baldrige criteria. The first area for improvement is knowledge management and organizational learning. TecSmart collects data from different departments, but the case study does not clearly explain how important knowledge, employee expertise, best practices, and lessons learned are stored and shared throughout the organization. According to the Baldrige criteria, knowledge is an important organizational asset because it supports continuous improvement and innovation. Therefore, TecSmart should create a centralized knowledge management system where employees can share ideas, successful practices, customer feedback, and project experience. This will help employees learn from one another and prevent valuable knowledge from being lost and when experienced employees leave the company. The second opportunity is to improve employee well-being and job satisfaction. Although TecSmart provides training and empower employees, there is limited information about employee happiness, work-life balance, workplace safety, and overall job satisfaction. The Baldrige criteria emphasize that employees are a key factor in organizational success. When employees feel valued and supported, they are usually more productive, motivated, and committed to their work. To improve this area, TecSmart should conduct more detailed employee satisfaction survey, monitor employee retention rates, improve workplace health and safety, and introduce programs that support employee well-being. This action can help create a positive work environment and improve overall organizational performance. The third area for improvement is performance measurement. The case study mentioned several quality initiatives and process measurement. However, it provides limited information about long-term business results such as financial performance, market share growth, workforce performance, and comparison with industry competitors. The Baldrige criteria require organizations to measure and monitor results in different areas, including customer satisfaction, financial performance, employee performance, and operational effectiveness. Therefore, TecSmart should develop a more comprehensive performance measurement system with clear key performance indicators and regularly compare its results with industry benchmark. This will help management make better decisions based on accurate data and evaluate the effectiveness of quality improvement effort. The final area for improvement is innovation management. Although TecSmart works closely with customer and supplier and continuously improve its process through Six Sigma, the company does not appear to have a formal innovation strategy. Innovation is important because it helps organizations stay competitive and adapt to changing customer needs and market conditions. TecSmart should establish a structured innovation process that encourages employees to generate new ideas, explore emerging technologies, and identify future market opportunities. In conclusion, TecSmart Electronics has implemented many effective quality management practices. However, there are still opportunities for improvement based on the Baldrige criteria. The four main recommendations are strengthen knowledge management and organizational learning. Next, improve employee well-being and job satisfaction, and develop a more comprehensive performance measurement system. Establish a formal innovation management process. By focusing on this area, so TecSmart can achieve higher organizational performance, improve competitiveness, and ensure long-term success. Thank you.
Now I will present the recommended actions for TecSmart Electronics to further improve its performance excellence based on the Baldrige criteria. Firstly, TecSmart should strengthen its digital transformation and data analytics capabilities. Although the company already collects large amounts of operational and customer data from different sources, it can further enhance its decision-making process by integrating advanced technologies such as AI, business intelligence, and predictive analytics. These technologies can help management identify patterns, detect potential quality issues earlier, and forecast future trends more accurately. As a result, the company can make faster and more informed strategic decisions. These actions directly support the Baldrige criteria, especially in the areas of measurement, analysis, knowledge management, and overall organizational performance. Secondly, TecSmart should develop a formal innovation management system. Although the company already emphasizes continuous improvement, it does not clearly define a structured process for innovation. By introducing an innovation program, employees will be encouraged to share new ideas, participate in innovation workshops, and receive recognition or rewards for successful improvements. This system will not only increase employee creativity, but also improve engagement and motivation within the organization. In long term, strong innovation culture will help TecSmart stay competitive in the fast-changing electronics industry. Thirdly, TecSmart should expand its customer engagement by involving customers more directly in product development and service improvement processes. Currently, the company collects feedbacks through surveys, executive visits, and sales representatives, but this can further improve. For example, TecSmart can establish customer advisory panels, online feedbacks communities, and joint product development sessions. This initiative allows the company to better understand customers' expectations and reduce the gap between what customers need and what the company delivers. This will ultimately improve customer satisfaction and strengthen long-term relationships. Next, TecSmart should enhance its focus on sustainability and corporate social responsibility. While the case study mainly highlight quality and operational excellence, there is limited emphasis on environmental and social responsibility. The company should implement sustainable manufacturing practices, such as reducing waste, improving energy efficiency, and monitoring environmental impact. In addition, TecSmart should also publish sustainability performance reports to increase transparency. This action will improve the company's reputation and align with modern Baldrige principles, especially in terms of ethical leadership and social responsibility. Last but not least, TecSmart should strengthen its supplier performance management system. Although suppliers are already involved in product development and certified suppliers are exempt from incoming inspection, there is still room for improvement. The company can introduce a supplier performance scorecard that evaluates suppliers based on quality, delivery reliability, innovation capability, and sustainability performance. Regular supplier evaluations and joint improvement programs can also be implemented. These practices will help build stronger supplier relationships and ensure consistent product quality across the entire supply chain. These 5 recommended actions will help TecSmart achieve higher performance excellence. They will also strengthen the company's competitiveness and support its continuous improvement journey under the Baldrige framework.
As a conclusion, TecSmart has demonstrated strong alignment with the Baldrige criteria through committed leadership, customer focus, and a well-trained, empowered workforce. However, gaps remain, particularly in knowledge management, employee well-being, measurable business results, and formal innovation. To achieve true performance excellence, TecSmart must move beyond operational strain and build the strategic system it currently lacks. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.